To use Jumbo, you'll need to have the proper environment set up on your local machine. In this video, we'll be installing the two necessary programs, Node.js and the package manager Yarn. The process is similar between Mac, Windows, and Linux. This video will cover installation on Mac OS first and then on Windows. To download Node.js, visit the official Node.js website at nodejs.org. This link is provided in the documentation. The website should detect the operating system that you are using and give you the option to download a few different versions of Node. To run Jumbo, we recommend that you use the LTS version, which stands for long-term support. This is currently version 14. Click on the download option. The download should start automatically. You can then open up the program when it finishes downloading. Depending on your system, you'll be prompted to go through the installer setup. The default installs are sufficient for the majority of cases. After you authorize the program, Node.js will be installed onto your system. You may close the installer after it is installed successfully. Let's check to make sure that Node.js was installed on our computer. Open up a terminal application. This could be Bash, Windows PowerShell, or Git Bash on Windows. To check that Node was installed successfully and that you're using the correct version, run node --version in your command prompt. This will print your current version of Node to the console. It should be 14.15.1 or the version that you installed from Node.js. Next, we're going to install the package manager Yarn. First, open up a browser and go to yarnpkg.com. This link can be found in the documentation. If we go to the Getting Started and then the Installation section, we see that we can install Yarn using the npm program and executing the line npm install-g yarn. npm was a program that was downloaded when we installed Node on our machine. Therefore, we can go back to the terminal and run this command to install Yarn globally. Copy this command, open up a new terminal, git bash or command prompt, paste this command onto the command prompt, and then execute the command. You should not see any errors in your console. To confirm that Yarn was installed, we can run yarn space -- version. This will print the current version of Yarn that we have installed globally to the console. This also confirms a successful install. Installing Node and Yarn on Windows is similar to installing on other systems. First, navigate to nodejs.org. Then click on the LTS version of Node to install on your machine. Then you can run the installer to finish downloading Node. You'll be taken through a Node.js setup prompt. Accept the licensing and work your way through the prompt, accepting the default locations. Now that Node is installed, let's make sure that it was installed successfully with the proper version. Open up Windows PowerShell, and in the prompt, enter node-v. The version that you installed from nodejs.org should be printed to the console. To install the Yarn package manager, we can use the npm program that was installed when we downloaded Node.js. We can simply run the command npm install-g yarn. Open up a command prompt and run npm install-g yarn. To check that Yarn was installed successfully, run yarn version. This will print the Yarn version to the console. We're using version 1, 2210.